Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we have to do here is we need to open up a browser and go to facebook.com. Now I'm assuming here that you already have or you already created your Facebook account. So once you've created your account or logged in, you are now ready to sell. Now in this case, you could sell items through the marketplace page on Facebook itself. So at the left side of your screen, you should be able to see a marketplace icon here that is indicated by a marketplace word there. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you'll be able to see different items that is currently for sale that is near in your area. Now if you want to create your own item, you just need to locate the left section here and you have the browse all, notification, inbox, buying, and selling options. So since we want to create our item, go ahead and click on create new listing. Now in here, it's going to ask you item for sale, vehicle for sale, or home for sale or rent. So choose the appropriate category for this one. So for example, if you're selling an item like for example a sticker, go ahead and click on item for sale. Now from here, we need to provide a few details about the item that you're going to sell. So in this case, you have to, as much as you can, complete all the details that you see here. Because if you have complete details, the more buyers would consider actually buying the item that you're currently selling. So in this case, so you want to add a photo here, you could either click on it or you could either go ahead and drag the photo itself. Now in this case, I'm going to upload this photo here. So let's just pretend that this is a sticker that we are currently selling. So let's just choose this one. Now from here, it's going to also request us to enter a title. So for example, I just want to say sticker, or let me just correct my spelling here, of a food. And from here, we want to indicate the price, maybe around 100 pesos. So by the way, the currency on your account here depends on where you have your account created. So for example, if you're in the United States, it's going to be US dollars, but if you're in the Philippines, it's going to be a Philippine peso. Now in this case, we have 100 peso here, and category, we want to basically make sure that we categorize this correctly. So since we want to categorize this as a sticker, maybe we want to choose the option as arts and crafts under hobbies. Now from here, condition, we want to indicate it as new. And from here, we have the other details or more details. So at the top section, these are the required details. But again, like I said before, it's recommended that you fill out all the details that you see here. Now here we have the brand here. So we want to say self-made. And from here, the description. So for the description, I would suggest you to actually describe your item as much as you can, and also provide contact details on the description. So it's a lot easier. Like for example, if they cannot message you on Facebook, they might want to try accessing or calling you in another means. Like for example, if you have your WhatsApp here, or you have Telegram, or even your mobile number, or your mobile number that is not the personal one that you're using, you could go ahead and just provide it here. Now in this case, I'm going to say, hi, this item is good. But again, I would suggest you to make sure that you provide or complete the details as much as you can. Now here, availability, we want to change this one. So for example, we want to list this as a single item, but if you have a lot of these items, make sure to choose the list as a stock. Now from here, let's go ahead and list as single item. Product tags, you could go ahead and add that. Like for example, art, you could go ahead and click on that. And from here, SKU, if you don't have a lot of items, it doesn't matter here. You can leave this as is. And we also have the option that says boost listing after publish. So the boosting option here, I would not recommend you using this one because you'll be incurring costs into your account if you added like a payment method. So if it's only your need, like for example, you really want to reach out to as much people as you can, you could go ahead and turn this on. Also, we have the option here that says hide from friends. So if you don't want your friends knowing that you're selling this item, you could go ahead and do that as well. But for now, let's just hit on next. Now from here, it's going to say this in more places. Now you could go ahead and join these different groups here, and from there you could go ahead and publish this to other groups as well. But for now, let's just click on publish at the bottom right of our left panel here, and it's going to start publishing our item. Now from here, it's going to say boost your listing. You could go ahead and close that as is, and from here you should be able to see the listings that you have right now. As you can see, this is the item, so when we click on it, we'll be able to preview it. So there's a few things that you could do here, like for example, you could go ahead, mark this as pending, edit listing. If you want to delete this, you could go ahead. You could also mark this as sold. If you, like for example, somebody already reached out to you and they already bought it, you could mark this as sold. We also have the more option here and do a lot of other stuff here. Now in here, what we need to do next is we want to verify where we could actually see the setting here. So again, this is the main homepage. So when we go to marketplace here, and when we go to the section here for selling, you should be able to see the same UI, and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.